Welcome to my channel, where I teach you how to use Photoshop to retouch and edit your photos like a pro. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to retouch skin using Photoshop's powerful tools and techniques. Let's get started. And there you have it, a beautifully retouched portrait that looks natural and flawless. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.